Hi there, thanks for tuning in. I'm Kyla Grogan from HXGN TV. Conuma Coal recently invested in a multi-year contract for Hexagon's Mine Protect solutions to safeguard their employees and equipment at mines in northern British Columbia, Canada. So today we have with us Cody Bartkowski. He's the Continuous Improvement and Technologies Manager from Conuma, and he's going to discuss Conuma's investment and the importance of mine safety. Cody, thanks for being with us today.
No problem.
Such an important topic, right?
Absolutely.
So Conuma employs about 850 people in its mines in Canada. Describe some of the safety issues you're dealing with when it comes to protecting those 850 people.
Absolutely. We operate 3 large surface mines located in northern British Columbia. We operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week with 12-hour shift lengths. Our mines are located about 45 minutes up to an hour and a half from our local towns, leading for an extremely long workday for that employee door to door.
Right.
So fatigue's something that we're very conscious of, but we've struggled to manage with the conventional systems we have in place. We also, since we operate in a surface environment, we operate in extreme weather conditions that lead to poor visibility and bad road conditions. Now, due to the long shift lengths and the repetition of the work, complacency is something that's inevitable. So complacency plus the hazards of poor visibility and road conditions lead to increased exposure for incidents.
All right, just kind of opens the door to issues.
Absolutely.
All right, so why is safety so important to Conuma? And also, this is the area you work in, so why is it important to you personally?
We believe that our employees are the greatest asset that we have. Conuma was designed to provide long-term security for all of our employees, and we believe that efficiency is the key to security, and efficiency we define as maximize safety with optimum productivity. Now, personally, I feel it's my responsibility to help build the safest work environment possible for our employees. In the rare occurrence that an event does happen, we see it as a learning opportunity to identify the root cause and implement meaningful action to prevent reoccurrence.
And obviously technology can play a big role in both of those goals.
Absolutely.
So speaking of that, why did Conuma decide to invest in Hexagon's Mine Protect and Mine Enterprise solutions?
Yeah, we had a series of a few near-miss incidents from equipment damages and fatigue events that we identified an opportunity to be proactive and get ahead of those before a catastrophic incident occurred.
So that is all the difference in the world, obviously.
Yeah.
What is included in the purchase that you guys made from Hexagon, and why was a web-based reporting and analytics enterprise platform an important part of that for Conuma?
Yeah, we purchased the fatigue management system for all of our haul trucks at our 3 sites, the collision avoidance system for our production fleet and the light duty fleet, and we see the Mine Enterprise solution providing us the ability to drive the benefits from those other 2 systems.
And how does this make Conuma's mines digitally smarter?
We see these systems providing us a lot more benefit than just the in-cab alerts. We will be able to geographically map the events that occur and look at our haul roads and intersections and identify areas that need improvement based on frequency and severity of the events that are tracked.
So what's been the feedback from your operators and your staff that are using these new products for collision avoidance and fatigue, as you mentioned, that monitoring it and also tracking radar? What do they think?
Well, so far we're halfway through our first implementation, so it's a little early, but it's been extremely positive. This was something we were very conscious of going into this project. We had heard very good things about these systems, but we've heard some cautionary tales. We wanted to reinforce with our employees that this was a safety-focused decision and that we were not focused on disciplinary action out of this. And that it truly would make their work environment safer and reduce the incidents that we have.
So Cody, describe the safety culture at Conuma and how do Hexagon products contribute to that?
We feel that we have a world-class safety culture. We're very proud of our performance to date. Right now we're averaging half the national average on lost time frequency rate, and we have received numerous provincial safety awards in our manpower categories. We feel that the Hexagon solutions allow us to manage hazards that we previously did not have much insight into, and that it truly does make our work environment safer, getting us one step closer to our goal of long-term security.
All right, thank you so much for the insight. Appreciate it, Cody.
No problem.
So for more information about today's topic, you can visit hexagonmining.com, and of course to watch additional episodes or learn more, you can visit hxgnspotlight.com. Thanks for being with us.